Alright, if it's your first time watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified when we upload new content. Because we're always uploading new content, but we need to make sure you guys know when they're uploaded. So please subscribe.
Reggae vibes music.
Wanna make man off go outside. Go touch some loose thing out the road and mash up the whole life. Drama all night. Why if you not stop ninging in my ears, I say gear the whole light. If our cake big, if we take the whole slice. And if I want not me get the evening, I'll make love the whole night. I ain't proud of it. I ain't proud of it. Me feel like 10 pound of crap in a 2 pound bag. So please baby stop touching me, cause I ain't proud of it. I ain't proud of it. What? Dripping with the sauce, so me set the sun. When me do the fast, so me run a land. Now it have the stress out a bag of drama. Baby mother itch up na me papa corner. Grasses go keep bring a dirty karma.
Mommy, I can't go and my father go spend the weekend.
No problem, why not? You figure your father go stay with him too, man.
You know, sir, I want Richard go and film this video. I look on YouTube.
Then produce a good movie, but boy, you can't help me do little sitting. If I not work, you sit down the whole day, whole night, I watch P. Richard Brown. You are done here to them. Because they want new things, you know.
I wish me don't have money could have donate this, but I say Candy call me. Tell me say you want some money for Kimanda.
Every single day, Candy Kimanda. You have your little jacket pitney. You don't do no paternity test, the pitney just come by a mistake, you just own a bit, you just take a pitney. The pitney favor you? You have racha and nigga. Imuma and nigga, the pitney have cool ear. You never question, you never sit down and look into yourself and question some things. Candy just step on your back, You go turn papa. You hardly can't do nothing for me because everything you have to talk about Kimanda. Candy call you every day. There's no day me no in your mail and I Candy no call you. What's up, boy?
What you want me to do? If she call me and tell me say the youth want something, what me to do? Me no figure. You're unfair, man. You're unfair. And I like say boy me and she in a relationship, you know. And I like say me and she in a relationship. I mean not try like say me I try rubbing nothing in your face. Now me know say you want a youth. But obviously not my fault can me get pick me.
Yeah, me know me not know pitney, but what you mean obviously not your fault. You know if sitting around with you and your jacket pitney, you try to say me a barren and me can't have no pitney. And that you try to say. But you know you're out order, all wear your jacket then. Wear your jacket, but if you're staying here, me don't think me can take them and sitting here much long with you and your woman, you know. Yeah, your whole jacket pitney. Candy most of your woman, it come like you're still attached to her a certain way. Candy this, candy that. Candy this, candy that. Kimanda candy. Me tired of it too, no. Me
not go argue with you, know. Honestly, me not go argue with you. Because me talk about a situation already. And me not go use the word to say you would come by mistake. Me go just say yo, sometimes things not plan and it happen. Because if you think about it, probably all me and you. I no mistake, but we never plan for and so we go. So you would come and me, you done been through the whole talk about business already, and me think say you get over it and we move past it and know say yo, can they come in a relationship, she get pregnant, but at the end of the day, it is what it is and me still there with you.
Me not talk about it, you know, until the day me dead and me living there, me not talk about it. Me a singing in your ears every day if you don't want to hear your girl and go to do or yes, girl and go sleep. Go sleep. That's why you can't give me no picnic, because you just asleep, but you never had sleep when you give candy one. And you look a jacket picnic. How about your business? You tap off for me charger.
Oh, go on. Yeah, get so big.
I don't know.
Remember me, remember me?
Then I must remember you.
How many?
Jermaine, any?
Yeah, man, a Jeremy name, man. So, you know, on the phone?
Yeah.
Hey, give me a number. We can continue the conversation. Yeah, man. You just go and stay safe.
Yeah, man.
Alright? We link
Yeah.
up.
Will you come back already?
No, I just want to stay with you. I know because I don't know, but I never want to go down daddy.
Kimanda, you sure you say you and your father don't have nothing?
No, mommy, me and him not have nothing.
I understand you. You have broke your neck for go down on your father.
Mommy, me and him not have nothing. Remember, say, you have company and I say, I want to open so I just want to stay with you. You change my mind.
You change your mind just so all of a sudden. You tell me, say you want to go down there go stay. So me feel say you go spend little time with your father, you just come back broke. You don't understand? Go on.
Candy want
There, man.
long time the man just kept me up off for the scene, so
You don't have nothing to tell me, new. What go on?
well I know them and I tell you what man that my girl.
So you say big things are going for you now.
Say I look at us want him build up for me, but girl, you just can't angle triangle 8, so I just have to find one man on the side for when know what man doing, you know?
Don't do it, not do it. Enough money man spend for you. You're too wicked, man.
What you mean by not doing
So if
it?
he can't manage it, you teach him how to do it. I want you.
Girl, the only thing he can do is face up to it, he can't stand up to it. So I have to find a next
Big
man.
time, let me say.
Then girl, as I talk about face up tweet, you know hear what happened to Miss Joyce's granddaughter?
No, sir.
One piece of embarrassment on the gram.
I lie.
Mm-hmm.
I want
Video
you-
like me say our tumble left, right, everywhere, all over Instagram.
How old she be?
Disgrace the whole family.
Yes, mommy,
Keep it
me
on social.
too. Me see. And she there in my class when I guy said school.
When me tell you, say she and her are same age group. Big disgrace.
So, Kimanda, how you know about that and you never make me know? You not tell me.
think you're here.
Me not hear, me not know about this at all. Wait there. So a big thing going on social media when me not know about.
Love me here, so she'll get expelled.
She not get no expel lie. They only suspend her for 2 weeks and make she wear black.
I lie.
Yes, from grade 7, we know so she and a virgin she dey have sex. But she only play fool for catch lies. I think I just know. And I just know, but it just a spread.
Can't you go get a little water then? Thirsty.
Go on inside to get some water and give shop on her.
I'm tired, you know.
Little girl, go for the water.
Kimanda, go on in go get some water and come give her.
Candy, bad to bad still. I saw you make Kimanda, you just load Kimanda in the careless argument them so.
Bad to bad. So you never know say a careless argument you bring on my yard. You don't know say me live with my daughter.
That is why I don't like talk to you. Anytime people tell you the truth, you feel like say them attack you. What I said wrong a while ago, the little girl is so invested in the conversation and she's not a big woman. What happened when she turned 18? You never can talk to she.
Shakwana, me and you are friends for 5 years now. Don't put your crosses mouth on me, Pitney. You're not even breed from the day you're born. You are Pitney, you can't tell me about Pitney. What you know about Pitney?
Me not have to breed. From me a 15-year-old, me a stepmother. So me not have to breed for know how to deal with Pitney.
See that the world gone bad. I want to you make you can
Then
breed.
me
Don't
not
come
tell
lecture
you
me.
say.
Look here. Shh. Me Pitney round the foot. Look here. Shakwana, you come on me
I
yard
don't
to come
talk.
lecture me.
I
But my
don't
own
talk.
youth.
She gonna bite off your ears.
Go bite off your mama ears. You're too
You
old
notice
for
you
that.
never come here, come disrespect your candy.
So what make you come tell me about
Me
my
I tell you
youth?
the truth. I
Shakwana,
don't like hear the
me and your
truth.
friend make it stay as friend. Don't get involved in a me and my daughter situation. Whether she have problem or she not have none, make me one solve it. Or me call in dirty pupa, Kimani, and make we solve it. Oh, you catch in there. You are friend, you are no family, you are.
That is why I don't come. Just and nobody don't like tell you the truth. You hear how you talk, but from me at 15
Shut up your mouth.
Here. You know what? Make I drink the water and come go about my business. Because nobody not come take all the battle with me.
If you know me know you drink it, and you should have prayed before you drink it. I don't like how you stay now. I don't like how you stay. You not done drink it yet. Make your son go on because me I go somewhere.
Little girl. I shall stay out of your business, Candy. I wish your daughter the best.
So who call in on my business? Just see you go now, Jesus. You want?
Want make man off go outside. Go touch some loose thing out the road and mash up the whole life. drama all night. Why if you don't stop ning in my ears, I say yeah the whole line.
Kimani. Kimani, come here. I want to talk to you. Come out of his son. I want to come out of his son. I don't stand up in his son. Kimani, I want to go on between me and you and Kimanda. You know remember say you have one pitney? And me alone for support. I don't understand you. I don't understand you. And you have my next woman pitney. I don't understand you. I want him to you and I want him to she. That with uno man. Love take up next woman responsibility for my nether man pitney. You know remember about fear pitney?
Alright, Candy. First of all, my woman don't have no one pitney. So I don't mind no next man
she
pitney.
named them. You're lucky.
Jesus Christ, Candy. What make you so disrespectful?
I don't want you nothing fry. You have to mind your pitney, Kimani. You have to mind your pitney. You carry your court. Anytime you face the judge, you will stand up to your responsibility. You!
What kind of big old disrespect this? I'm like an idiot and I say like them big old Google they wait for you, your woman. Cause I must your woman. Approve, she try prove, you know. And you know. Go on back at him. What? Fewa. You don't respect me as a woman. You don't respect me. She try and try prove for me so she can take you, you know. She can talk to you, you know. And you're gone. I won't ever talk, so what? I want me not good enough for you.
Alright. First of all, I think that the kind of enough of her, yes. But listen, I don't like say she call me and tell me say she want me back or nothing. I just tell me say, yo, Kimanda need things. And she call me from when my phone nah pick up. And I tell her, say, yo, I just threw reception bad down so. So I don't like her nothing. You think you make sitting out of nothing right now, I swear.
Sore foot Kimanda, sore foot Candy, two of them are sore foot. Like mother, like daughter, what you gonna do? Me just tear down with it. Hey, me just get licking in a crossfire. Everything will happen, and me. Me just in it. Me there so imagine, me and you walk. She don't say make she call you, no. She don't say make she call you. She draw your side, she want to say something to you. And you run gone back her and she just a talk and she just a look and approve with her attitude. Me just not in it no more. Me not in it whole heap of baga no more. Two anu go about on the business and allow me, yeah, man.
You know, so me think you try make a big thing out of nothing. I cause disgrace. Just make a good on and deal with it, man.
Don't touch me.
Come make a good on and deal with it and tap it foolishness.
No, I hear nothing, man.
Ready to go to school.
Fix up your uniform. Where your belt? Where's your belt there? You have to school without belt. Anyway, your lunch money here. You see it? A $500 you must take. And bring back $500 for tomorrow for your lunch and your fare. Come go on to school and make sure you see at school you go.
At school me I go, mommy.
Go on to school, make sure you catch devotion because devotion good. You understand? Go on, do and learn. Nobody follow no bad company. You hear me say? No follow no bad company. Take your book at school. Alright.
Yeah. Girl, look how long you make me dinner say wait for you. How are you there?
Girl, I come.
And remember, if you nobody wear uniform come here, you know. Remember. Okay.
Then me no must know that me an idiot. Alright.
Look how long me I wait for you. Girl, you so rich from when me I wait for you. Yes, girl. I put on things them right there, so. You're too nasty.
Oh, go on. Yeah, me there, man. So, yeah, do. No, so me there, sit down out of my gate. Mother gonna prayer meeting, so I want up here. You can't forward, you know? You mean just tell the mother say you have an assignment, a group assignment where you have to go sort out some projects, you know, you guard. You and forward. Alright, me there up here wait.
I which part you have go?
I'm going to do a group work like one of my friends.
So I don't know about that the group work, they are first news to me.
Can teacher just send in?
So how long that will take?
No, how long it go take?
Go on. But me need to see the group work when you come back.
Come here there.
I want make a tongue so strong.
Come here now, Candy.
I want make a create excitement. So
Where that today?
she gone down her friend gone do some group work.
So little girl she gonna bite her face. Yes, I just see her a while ago and match got in a miss when in the yard.
Miss Cooper yard.
With Miss Joyce's grandson.
Miss Joyce.
Him walk on in a yard. Candy what she a do around there so. Come make a show you cause you think say like cause nobody can tell you nothing about that little girl. Come.
Shakwana.
Come.
You come back from my daughter again. You sure say you come on there, you see?
You know somebody don't like telling the uncle that little girl have a bite her face. Come on, show you.
You now go bite her. Come on, alright, come on. Are you so? You sure? Mommy, you want talking in there? How the man? Where are you, so? How are you? Group work? Are you so you come do group work?
Mommy, I group work me and
Kimanda, get up. Come out. You boy, me will deal with you. Kimanda, come out here, so. Let me come out here, people, them, please. Come here, little girl. Kimanda,
Mommy, a group work, me can't do.
group work. In the so, you can do group work a man yard. Kimanda, a school me they send up you go learn or a tech man call. Girl, shut up when me I talk to you.
Look a girl, you're wicked, you man, and you still not understand. Look what you look like, you don't care.
Hold on there. A tech man college me send you. This is the group work. Eh? You need to live at your father yard. Me no want to run me. Go on down a Kimani yard, go stay with him because I didn't sit in your galang with all the while. And I first, Kimanda, move out of my way. Find your yard. And then you me catch you.
Jesus Christ.
So long there, so. Kimanda, what is your problem? Where you tell me say they go? Me not understand how you tell me say you go do group work and me come stay in a man house. So that's the group work there? Eh? Me not understand you. So all the while when you tell me say you they go a library and you are going to do group work, when you not tell me say you they go over there over your friend, a man yard you go. As the great man licking your face. You know what? I go and call the CDA. Because you're not have work hard until me send you a cops. You so much time me they tell us me send you a cops and me see a work hard tweet. You really want to reach there. At your age, you don't need to think about man. Once you think about man, about your love, but look on you too. You not even reach the age of consent yet you think about man and take up yourself God and man. Yeah. That trouble you want to put me in? You look like this little girl who want police to lock me up door, Father God. Looking at my eye when me talk to you and stop look down there so. Because when me kick off the door, you know, me can't see you look up in a boy's face. Let me tell you something. Your age, not to think about sex. Sex is for everybody, but it's not your time. Wait until your time. Sex not run away. I not for your time yet. You know what? If me talk to you about this one more time, hey, Kimanda, don't do it again. Because right now you have pissed me off and I get me ignorant. Go on inside.
What, man? Where you come from?
You forgot to me go kick off the door. When me find Kimanda in there with this dirty boy, Jai's son, eh? Girl, you want to know where me they come from? I really, that's what they ask me. You feel say me then type of mama there? Go see something like that. With me girl pitney and man in a house and no care or go a doctor. And the doctor say, she ain't no virgin no more. She and that boy have sex, so me need to talk to the mother. Me don't want to go to police station, you know? Because me can't take the excitement. I me the whole I shame go there. Look here, you don't know say me the whole I shame go there pan. You don't know say when the picnic them take up problem and things that they're not supposed to do, put on their head and go do things before the time. It come like them not shame, you know? Are you as the mother they shame like how you do it? When at them in action with them thing round the corner. But guess what? Me thank God she not pregnant. But I go and good on her Joyce and I go and warn her. Me they warn her about that boy where she have down there. She fi know say her boy where she have down there. A big man fi Kimanda. You understand? You understand me? A big man that fi Kimanda. He must go look inside and Kimanda. Kimanda is not him age. Kimanda are no age known tall. You understand? And you, Kimanda, we are going like a big woman and take up big woman ship put on your head and big man ship. Please, me dey ask you, do not do it again. Me dey warn you for the last time. You need to behave yourself.
All right, Candy, calm down, man. Call you call excitement down. And you know, say excitement, all of them things you cause, man. When you reach home, you get
Shakwana, you know what? Let me come go on down there so that with you.
No, but listen to Candy, the greatest thing, she not pregnant and she not have no sickness.
She not no sickness?
You need to just go home.
Not because she not have no sickness and she not pregnant. Me have to talk to her about the problem where she do.
But talk to her inside, not outside.
Inside? Inside? Girl, them are kind of pitney nowadays. If you not chat loud and tell them something where you not even want to tell them after you tell them you're sorry, so you tell them they will never change. Come go down. Go on down there, sir. Because, you see, you know, Kimanda, me can't manage you.
Can you just turn when you reach up your talk to her because all of this is not necessary. Just attract see people just right past.
Okay. When then do the action, and we as parents see them, and I'm shame right now, you look like I say Kimanda don't even shame. You know what I go do? Send her down her dirty papa because you see, if him when they stand up as a father, you see Kimani, me tired to call him and talk to him about Kimanda. Me can't bother. So me go call him right now and make him know because me can't take this no more. Me gone. Me can't bother ya man.
Sister, just a minute. Let's come out of the sun. Oh Lord. Sister, the reason why I stopped you now. I haven't seen your daughter at Sunday school. What happened to her?
Why? Pastor, you wouldn't like to know. Me feel so shame to talk to you about it.
No man, you know I'm a man of God. You can explain everything to me.
This is so shameful to talk about. But I still going to tell you because I don't know if you start this, you know. I hope you keep it confidential, you know. Because, you know, church people stay ready. And the shame and disgrace me they run from. Pastor, you know, say, Kimanda start have sex already. Me all have to kick off my door and go take her out there. Pastor, I don't know what else left to do. This little girl just a call down be a problem in my life. And then, she have one father there. I don't know when I give her name close to her papa for. She have one father there. Him no business known tall. You know him, sir? Him name Kimani. Are the worst baby father. Anytime I call him and tell him nothing about him pick me, it's like, me not no money. Or me have one little change, me can get and know him can't come with it. Me not understand him left everything for me, so this little pitney when me and him have, it's like, through the pitney know say me a mother, some mother soft, and no father no round her. The pitney take up badness put on her head.
I will come and pray for her. But right now I can't do it. I have a prayer meeting attending right now. But
Pastor, do me a beg you. My head all hurt me. My head all hurt me. Please, if you can come because this little girl want prayer for two. You can't take it now.
I'm going to call you when I'm coming.
You going to call me, sir?
Yeah, I'm going to call you.
If you dey call me and you can't get me, come straight down on my yard because you know me live.
All right. Take care, sister, and guidance, okay? All right. Sister, where's Kimanda?
Inside.
Call her.
Kimanda!
You know? Miss Kimanda? You know, sister, the last time we talked, you know, it just rests upon my heart, you know. So I come here now to speak to she and you because the way in the life is the way of the future. And they don't really understand. Miss Kimanda, what's the problem, sister?
If you no want me and you feel have anything, please me the beg in the name of Jesus. Do not call Kimanda miss. She's a child, so address her as Kimanda. When you call them miss, and they address them as how you feel as miss this, miss that, then feel say them a big woman. Please me
No.
say Kimanda.
No, listen, sometimes in life you call them young miss. Miss Kimanda, the world is not running away. Your mother knows best. You can't look at your mother, single with you, your father leave her behind. And who you running down don't want you. It's not time for it. You have to think about your future, what you want in life. You want to be a doctor, you want to be a lawyer. Man now will give you that, school give you that. Man only breed you and left you. The world is not running away. But let me pray for her. Father God, as I come here today, praying for Miss Kimanda, please, Father, touch her soul. That sex demon of the blood of... Let it out! As I come to the end, Lord. Please, Lord, Give Sister Candy strength, Lord, over this day, Lord, please. And I touch her soul, Lord. Please, Lord, touch her soul in the name of Jesus. Amen. All right, Sister Candy. The Lord has spoken, and the Lord has blessed her soul. I hope she will definitely hear the Lord's voice. I hope to see you in church Sunday with her. Don't leave her alone. Bring her to church. She needs some more prayer. All right, Sister Candy? All right, Miss Kimanda? Behave yourself.
Yes, Candy. How want me now?
Kimani, you act like me not have right to call you. Me call you to talk to you about with daughter. You know from morning, Kimanda gone to school and all no. Look at the time. Eh? Me can't believe. All no she not there. You want to tell me say school not over yet? Me tired of this. Me can't take it no more.
Are you she live with you now? And I like say I'm she live with, so why you call me and tell me this and over?
Me no want to hear that. You is a part of her too. You need to stand up as a daddy in your child life. Don't tell me that. So you leave her for me. So you and me she live with.
I give you money every week. That's not enough for you she live with.
Okay, so you give me money. That's all you're supposed to do as a father. You're supposed to see to it that your child okay, check up on her education, know how well she do, whether in a school or out of school or her yard. All know she not come back, you want to tell me, say, so you give me money. Me not fi call your attention. Me backside, no sir, me not understand this. You know in her life no entirely no more than hungry they give me money for her, you know. You need to do better.
Alright, me not quarrel, me just a say. So here what you do. You see when she come home, just find out exactly where she a come from and then just call me back and make me know what's what.
Anything you say?
No, you did there listen, you know. No, you did there listen.
Every little foolishness in call you tell you. Never deal with the pitney. You send money and everything for your pitney already. She a next one too. Come in a relationship breed for you. Not even say she alone, you know. You. That's why if you know where you are breed and lie down with. You could have carried age anything come give me. Are you then if stress out? Long as I know me alright.
Done man, done. You're going like say yesterday this happened. Look how long we've been through this and talk about it already. Sure. Look how long we've been through it and talk about it already. And we discussing everything and you know say me apologize and say yo me nah do nothing like that again. Pick me a big pick me a now. So any little thing you pick me do and me share call and me her father.
Me nah stop talk about it, you know. Cause it look like a relationship she want back.
Look after that. Just look after that, yeah, man.
Yeah man, go on. Anytime you come to she you get very sensitive.
Look after that.
Evelyn, mommy.
Evelyn Kimanda, where are you coming from?
School.
I could have never be school. School not over them time here. Where did they?
I want my friend me follow a library, mommy.
A library or library? See there? You can't even make a proper pronunciation. Me send you go to school to learn. You chat about library. A matter of fact, you notice where they lie there? Lie. You is a little liar. Me not trust you. You they come from library? You, they come from library, Commander. It's modern time now. Library no say nothing again. Library no in a nothing name library or library now. This is modern time. Anything you want to know about, you Google that and get that about your library you come from. Commander, tell me the truth.
I mean, let me follow go one boy yard, but me never do nothing.
You're a big woman now. Me send you to school. You take up a put on your head and gone a boy yard with friend.
I follow a girl.
You're not supposed to follow nobody go nowhere after school. When school over, you're supposed to make sure you reach your yard. That means we know where they and know say you're alright. When you not leave school and they come home them time here, how me if you know say you're alright? I stress you want to stress me out? Commander, be careful of where they do. Because if you don't change your dirty ways them, me I send you go straight to cops. Because I cannot take this no more. This is not the first time you do it. The first I say you go to library, now a girl you follow go a boy yard. Eh? You have sense? Me send you to school to go a boy yard. Boy yard a subject that I put you nowhere. What sweet nanny goat I go run in belly. You better be careful of where they do. You hear what me say? Let me see work where you do.
The book in my bag.
Me need to see the work. See it there? You don't even have no work in a no book. You don't do no work from morning you go to school. You see you? Me I go make you talk to your father. Because it look like you're not listening to me. Maybe you will hear him. Maybe. Maybe you will listen to him. And me go talk to him, you know, man. The last time again, you know, he need to turn up in a your life, you know, like a man and a daddy, you know. Because through your papa and me no live together, you feel say you're a big woman and no. So you go. And so you go, Commander. Kimani need to listen when me they say and come talk to you. Your papa gone left you from your little baby suck the palm breast. The only thing him do is give me money to help sustain your financial problem. Nothing else, you know, business boy, you don't know if you can spell rat, cat or mat. You don't know nothing at all about you. You don't know manners. Come go on in. Go on in. Wait, hold on. You can't go on down with your father with the same type of behavior. Fear behavior, I know nothing normal. Me can't take it no more.
How me I behave, mommy?
You know me notice with you? No care what you do. All when me put your neck on the block, all when me take me 2 years them and see you, you never do nothing yet. But go on down with your father with a dirty attitude. Your attitude too stink. Go on down with your father. And you can tap on your friend them yard and do as what you always do. Go on.
I'm not tap on no.
Look here, your usual thing is to go with friend. Go with friend and go on a man yard. Go and go do it. I don't your father me send you. Look on the clothes you have on. Look on the piece of shorts you put on and go up on the road. You think you're easy? Kimani.
Yes, Candy, little girl coming out.
Me just send Kimanda down at your yard. You understand? So you better time her.
Hold on, Candy. Me tell you, say, when she come if you call me, me didn't expect say that you did plan for the send her come down at my yard.
She come already, but as me tell you, me can't manage him no more. So me send her down your yard. Me never wait until when he come to call you nothing. Me already send her, so me I make you know say she dey on her way.
But Candy, you know say I know me want to live, you know. So me have to go talk to my woman about this. I know like say boy, me can't just say alright. Me know say I feel me pick you know, but I know like me can't say you come. Just come. So me have to talk to my woman about it.
You have to talk to your woman. For your woman give you consent say your own child can come with it. Me don't want hear nothing from you.
Candy member say I not just send you and send him come look for me now. Send you and send him pick come live down there.
She feel live with you too. And no mother alone get them. Mother and father supposed to take up full responsibility of them child. You want her to come stay around me forever and give me all of the problem them. You know easy. You forget some of my trouble to man make you see where she are going with up here.
Alright, Candy.
Kimanda too bad, me can't take it no more. And anyhow, you not keep her down there as straight a cops me go send her.
Alright, you don't have to send her down to cop. Then she come. when you really are going with your mother yard, make sure you send it down here now.
Me not going with nothing that ya Amelia did beg me for I go somewhere and when me check it out, I don't want boy yard, but me never do nothing and she alone.
Jesus Christ, I must you really are going with down there. Alright, here you are. It's down for me yard. A different thing going down on my yard, you know. My yard run under more orders. So yes, when you come down there, I just hope so you don't come down there with the same sort of foolishness. And plus, make sure you have manners to me, woman. Alright?
Yes, Daddy.
Alright. Babes, me a minute to talk to you.
Huh?
Me a minute to talk to you.
You could have make sure you wait outside and come in for talk to me.
Here we are going now. Kimanda, I will stay down here with you a little bit. Sorry, I never get to really discuss with you before, but everything just happened to so sudden. Your mother not too long call me and say she give me a problem and she can't deal with it. So you want me to help straighten her out. So I just kind of tell her you know still.
So, if I when she reach, you tell me, what you want me to do now? Run her out and make it look like I'm me a bad somebody. You can't set me up, but me no business with that little conniving picnic and come in and say good morning, good evening, or ask how me doing. She just step inside.
Babes, just understand, man. She not go there forever. I say I'm sorry, so I never said nothing to you before, but she just there one little bit until me straighten her out.
Anything you say, that's why me pick up family man. You might put me up.
Alright.
What happened?
You mean say what happened?
So look how long me no see her sitting.
You know see your mother you come kick out my door that day.
So I that they stop ever and talk to me.
You know I get myself in no trouble with you.
What kind of trouble you talk about? I choose Shako and I chat too much. I hear him go say to mommy, you know. Else he would do, you know. But next time we be more careful.
What you mean by next time?
Relax yourself, man. Cause I didn't want to mommy me there. I don't have daddy now. I need to live in the business boat thing. Oh man, I mean go business boat. Relax, man. All you have to do is just call me. I'm recalling you. That's all you have to do, you know. Just call me.
I want you.
Nothing, me just get up and feel bad.
And just like, I was ate a little breakfast, B, you know what I see wrong with that girl? For another day, you sleep. And a while ago, me just too long see her what I do, a vomit. I feel like she's pregnant. We might never have no picnic, but them there signs of pregnancy.
No, sir, I don't think so. I can't just get up and feel bad.
You know, you don't sense neither. Me say if you carry a little girl, go check her out a doctor. I signs of pregnancy.
Alright. Carry her doctor. I make doctor check her out. We ensure everything alright.
Mm-hmm. You have a headache?
Why, babes? You don't say it right. Can't believe say doctor say you look a girl pregnant.
Yes, man. Me never tell you if me did turn on my mother belly one more day. Me turn her profit. Me tell her say she pregnant because she sleep, she can't pray the bed nothing. When me see she get up, it's like she dizzy. I look away and me a watch her, you know, but me tell her me no business with her. And then she a throw up. Me say no, something is wrong. But I'm like mother, like daughter. Just make sure she know one big man relationship and you're gonna go mash up here. Like how your mama did do me.
And at the time I never even try to even play a blame game. This happened to her, and we just have to just ensure say we just do the right thing. Me feel like say me feel her as a father, and me feel like his mother feel her as a mother too. So right now, we just have to just help her, cause me don't even want she think about nothing negative like suicide or nothing. Me just see if me can just send her a woman center and get back her in her school.
Well, you have to do what you want to do, you know, because me wash me hand clean. Long as I'm not in here, she has stay, I don't have no problem. You hear me? So you go on and do anything you want to do. Go talk to her mother. No, if you go back to your mother, go talk to him.
Things are going for me, and I'm going to do my dry head.
I'm happy for you.
As I say, happy for. You look at that, a long time I don't see her. What's her name? Kiwanda.
I have to send her to her father. Yes. Because you see when two persons have one child, the two of them supposed to in at the pitney life. Me alone can't take them the stress and problem them love. So me send her down a Kimani. So me no know if she behave herself, me no know where they go on down there, but all me know me send her down there. Only hope she change and be a better person.
A long time I should have this my friend. Because you alone cannot eat for true. You should have stressed your body out. Because you come and talk to you. You come here and tell you, say, the way how you see her, raise her and I talk to her. She move like a big man too early. And see that so said, so done. I'm so glad to you find out early before anything you couldn't take back happen. That is what I'm glad for. Everything happened for a reason. I'm glad so she does someone now where she can at least have a look man figure around her we can rough her up because she don't look like she's afraid of you. She might look afraid of her father now. And hear when in talk cause you know when me I grew up, my father say I say
You know, so although Kimani no really stand up in her life strong as a daddy and help support her and did it for her. You know, so if you take some of my blame to me, not go really blame it her father alone. Me if you take some of my blame to you know why? Anyway me they talk to anybody. No care how big the person is, no care how bad the argument is, whatever me I talk about, Kimanda come in and the big Aminati would tell her if you move her, them your argument and no concern you. So sometimes we parents as a mother, we feel blame ourselves to when the pitney them come turn out to this and turn out to that where we never expect. But we need to know say if we grow with children them in a certain type of way, look out for anything.
yeah, come to buy 2 number. Take care of yourself. One day if the dog still out there, so cause with them rush me, no man, and I make my drop and chip up the whole of myself.
You know why?
Yeah. I make.
Cause you always they believe say God forget. God no forget nothing. Go on, he not do nothing tie up round her back. God forgive, but he will never forget. Go on. You have to come back and check me one next time, you know.
Tie up the dog round her back, man.
In tie, man. In tie. Go on. Later. I want happen now. I want to Kimanda. I hope your woman not down there the liquor, you know. Cause me surprise you come up here so. I what happen?
Candy, it better me woman the down there liquor. You want to know say it look like when you send little girl come down there, she come down there with belly.
Nobody with the foolishness. Me bring Kimanda a doctor before Kimanda come at your yard. The doctor say she dey have sex but she is not pregnant. So, what you come with? Me not understand you. So what you do? Call Kimanda down there and go on like your joy and your pride. And you have your 2 big guys them for him. Okay, so she breathe now, you carry her back. You carry her back. Where she the outer road or you soon carry her come?
You see, I them are sitting there, like, it's like you talk about things And me I hear exactly what you are saying now. So you mean to tell me say before Kimanda come down there, Kimanda have sex and you know say nothing to me about it. You send her down there and you can't control her. And now I don't know how she get pregnant. Although me say I hope she get pregnant, I don't know how she get pregnant. Maybe she's still a sea boy and whatever, and she get pregnant. So right now, I don't quarrel. Me come for quarrel with you. Me come for see how we can make this right. To tell you the truth, me feel like me fail her. Me feel like me never did that do what me fi do as a father. So now that she get pregnant, me not think it too late. Me think we still can do what we fi do as parents.
If you did pay attention to Kimanda, maybe she wouldn't get the chance to go back or hide under with boy. But through you and your little dibby girl where you pay attention to, she's all this and she's all that. But you know, remember say your picnic there yard where not when they pay attention to when she there up here. That's why uno man must help the mother and support the child in everywhere, every step of their life. You left everything for me. Now she breathe, you want to come blame me, could you? That's why I send her down there. Because I never want she breathe for me.
Listen me, this is not a blame game thing. Me not try blame you like say you make she get pregnant and
Me ain't left you now, but something up on your mouth, I take off it. You look like your name on your yard and brush your teeth before you come out.
Alright. Let me should even laugh about this situation, you know. But Candy, if you tell you the truth, me not try to blame you, and me not try to go on like say I'm my fault. She do what she do. She take up adult behavior when she never ready for it. So right now, all me come down here for say to you, I have to say, alright, no space down in my yard to keep sheep plus picnic. So me gotta send her back up here and me just do what me need to do as a father. Help her to go to a woman center or whatever it takes. Me will just do what me need to do.
She had done with that already. Me not gonna make she dash you no belly. It makes sense to just stand up as parents and help her.
Alright, so
but me need to see that little dirty boy that will breed my daughter before time, you know. Even though Kimanda too bad, she should make that happen to her.
Alright, so me go send her up and we can just discuss everything from this. Alright, look at me.
Alright then.
Good evening, mommy.
Good evening, mommy. Good evening, mommy. Right now, you turn mommy. Like, seriously? Really? You really go get pregnant before time? At this age? Baby, they have baby? No, sir. Be serious. Kimanda, look how me talk to you. And true, you not listen to me. You not listen, so you're not going to learn. You hear what me say now? Because you're not deaf. But you did not listen to me. See then now, you have to pay the consequences. All of the penalty them are you have to go do it. Me now have to go take up responsibility for mine you and plus Pitney. And who tell you something did one grand Pitney before time too?
Alright, Candy. Kimanda, you see the problem where you put me and your mother now, you know. You're not ready for this yet, you know. You're not ready for this none at all yet. You're not even reach the age yet. You say I will start a boyfriend. But you see, I feel like me and your mother feel you somewhere along the line, especially me. Because me never take full part in your life. So you see right now, you have to go bear some weight for your own. Because me not gonna make you feel like say you get off scotch free, go have a boyfriend, get pregnant, and then me and mother take up responsibility. The responsibility is on you. You understand me I say? So here we go on. You go to a woman center, and after when you left class at evening time, you have to go find one little work where you can do to help back up yourself. It is what it is, and it is all done. So go on in.
Want make man off go outside. Go touch some loose thing out the road and mash up the whole life. Drama whole night. Why if you don't stop ninging in my ears, I say gear the whole light. If our cake big, if we take the whole slice. And if I want not me get the evening, I'll make love the whole night. I ain't proud of it. I ain't proud of it. Me feel like 10 pound a crap in a 2 pound bag. So please baby stop touching me, cause I ain't proud of it. I ain't proud of it. What? Dripping with the sauce, so me set the sun. When me do the fast, so me run a land. Now it have the stress out a bag of drama. Baby mother itch up na me papa corner. Grasses cookie, bring a dirty karma. Why me if you thief out, go for the border. When the good thing I do, over and the parlor. Over.
Alright, so you don't know what they are with Candy. Alright, so this movie that you just watched, it is a tip of the iceberg. When me say tip of the iceberg, I mean that we not go so much in depth, because there is so much that we could have done, and there is so much we could have expound on as it pertains to the story. But we just want to just scratch the surface a little bit. So for those parents out there, when now play the role where you need to play, the video I have uno. Sometimes as parents we allow our kids them to just make them feel like them big and do what they want to do and just act certain sort of way without any repercussion and without us playing our part. As even men, sometimes we not play our part. So that video you have to make sure someone knows say, yo, when stand up as a man, make sure someone lift up everything to the mother them. Make sure someone did a play on the part. Everything we go on need to know. If you pick them get homework, you need to know. If friends about them keep, you need to know. You need to be more active in their life, because at the end of the day, we see what go on in Jamaica and we see what go on in society. And we can't blame it upon government, say, oh, government caused this and government caused that. Sometimes we as parents at home, we need to take some form of responsibility, some form of we not even the right word, but we need to take some form of a responsibility for what go on in the nation. To say, yo, as parents, if we do and need what necessary at home, then we kids them we fall in line and do what they need to do. So big up to everybody that continue to support what we are doing as we just continue to push forward. We need 2 female actresses and we need 1 male actress. Preferably if the male no have no hair on him head, if him clean shave and him groom properly. And the reason why we need somebody who can be flexible, can play one pastor, one teacher, one police, whatever. You see me? So big up on yourself. Link me up on Instagram and let me know say when you're interested, and then we can take it from there. Also, we'll have the merch them available, so please make sure you find the website where the merch them there and purchase on the merch. The link will be provided in the description and also up on the screen. So do the right thing, support the movement, because as I say, as Jamaicans, part of how we are gonna move forward is each one have to help one. And with what we are doing as it pertains to grassroots work. Because I call what we are doing grassroots work, what we are doing is grassroots work. We are trying to educate people through movie, and we are trying to help develop the film industry in Jamaica. But we can't do it by ourselves. It's going to take more help. It's going to take people abroad who have the financial backing if you can say, yo, we like what we do and want to invest in what we do, because we want to do something positive for the nation. So big up to everybody that has contributed. Big up to everybody who not contribute yet. We are going to put in the work. If there are, and also I always tell people, if there is a specific actor or actress where you like and want to contribute something towards them too, you can link me up, man, and say, yo, Richie, I want to send something for Candy, I want to send something for Papa, I want to send something for Big Boy, I want to send something for Fire. Because at the end of the day, people need money. We need money and we need finance to push forward what we are doing. Right now, we need more equipment. So if there are persons out there who can say, yo, them can afford to buy a camera, them can afford to buy a tripod, them can afford to buy a light, a laptop, whatever it may be, link per man and tell us, yo, we want to help. Because this not only will benefit us, but it will benefit Jamaica too. Because one of the day, you might lucky enough to see us on a network. You see me? So big up on yourself, continue to support while we continue to put in the work. You have nothing to say to them, Candy?
No man, them are people you know, so me don't love them already, Bless up on yourself.
Alright, big up on yourself.